Have you ever felt like you're working hard but still not getting ahead? Like your time, creativity, and potential are being traded for a paycheck that never seems enough? If you've ever dreamed of more freedom, more control, and more fulfillment in your life, then this video is for you. Today, we're talking about why starting a home based business could be one of the smartest decisions you ever make. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking for a new direction, these reasons might just change how you see your future. One of the biggest reasons people start a home based business is financial independence. When you rely on a single paycheck, your income is limited by your hours, your position, and someone else's decisions. But with a home based business, your income potential is no longer capped. You're building something that can grow over time, something that can create multiple income streams, something that doesn't depend on overtime approval or annual raises. Financial independence doesn't mean overnight success. It means long term control over how you earn money, and that's powerful. Reason number two, the dream of working for yourself. Let's be honest, working for yourself is a dream many people share. A home based business allows you to be your own boss, set your own goals, decide when and how you work. You're no longer building someone else's dream, you're building your own legacy. It's not always easy, but the sense of ownership, pride, and purpose makes the journey worth it. Another powerful reason to start a home based business is flexibility. Working from home allows you to create a schedule that fits your life, spend more time with your family, reduce commuting stress and expenses. For many people, this flexibility also means involving family in small tasks, learning together, and building something as a team. That kind of balance is hard to put a price on. Reason number four, the need to be creative. Many people feel stuck in jobs where their ideas don't matter. A home based business gives you the freedom to express your creativity, whether that's through content creation, product design, branding, marketing, or problem solving. You get to build something from scratch, make your own decisions, turn your ideas into real value. When your creativity is no longer restricted, work becomes more meaningful, and that motivation shows in your results. And finally, building something that grows with you. A home based business isn't just about today, it's about the future. You're building skills, experience, and systems that grow as you grow. You learn marketing, sales, communication, time management, and leadership, skills that stay with you for life. Unlike a job that ends when you clock out, a business can continue to create opportunities long after the work is done. Starting a home based business is about freedom, creativity, independence, and long term growth. Here's a question for you: which reason motivates you the most to start a home based business and why? Drop your answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.